Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your default or your stock RAM for this particular model. There are 4 memory banks in total, but only 2 is with easy access. The other 2 is hiding underneath the motherboard, and that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. So yeah, let's get into it. Now we can start by removing all the screws underneath the back cover. After we remove all the screws, now we can start removing the optical drive. Then now we can start to remove the cover for your hard drive and your RAM. After we remove the cover, now we can start removing the screws in here. And now let's remove the hard drive. Underneath the hard drive there's one more screw. And don't forget the screws underneath the upper case where you remove the optical drive. Now let's start to remove the SSD. Now that all the screws are removed, now we can start to remove or open the back cover. Now before anything else, let's disconnect the battery from the motherboard first. This will avoid the component to get damaged from static. After we disconnect the battery, now we can start to remove all the screws from the motherboard. Now this part is a bit tricky. The left hinge is catching the motherboard at the same time, so you can't just pull the motherboard easily. And not only that, under the motherboard there's an LCD cable, so you need to look underneath the motherboard as well before you pull the hinge. I will show you later. Let me just try to pull this out from the corner. I need to lift up the hinge slightly so I can pull the motherboard. Let me just use my spudger. Okay, once it's removed, now we don't pull the motherboard straight away, just remove the LCD cable first. It's underneath. I will show you, it's right there. See, you need to pull that, remove that first. I'll just use my spudger. There you go. Now that we removed the motherboard, now these are the two hidden memory bank. Now from here you can just replace it or upgrade it, it's up to you. But for me, don't need to do that. I'm just showing you how to do this and where you can find it. Let me just clean this quickly. Okay, let me just put it back. So yeah, this is where you find the two hidden memory bank. If you want to upgrade it or for some reason it's faulty, you need to replace it, this is where you find it. Now let's go ahead and put it back. Now we can put back all the screws. And that's it, guys, we're finished. Now let's just try to power on and make sure we put back everything correctly. Yep, it's working fine, so there you go.